Hi, I'm Dax,
I'm Wolfie.
and we are we are Clever Stupidity in Japan, and I
Yeah.
can't speak. All right, today we're doing something a little bit different. We're outside checking some very interesting Japanese vending machines.
See? Japan has lots of vending machine here.
Yes, so right here we have a very regular drink vending machine with lots of options. Your regular tea, water, sports drinks, coffee, all the normal stuff. Good stuff, by the way. Next over here, we have cigarettes right here in a vending machine. So if you want to get your smoke on, you just come up right here, put in, what is this, about $5, and get your own cigarettes. Apparently they have 2 cigarette machines back to back.
Yep.
So you have everything covered. But that's not what we're interested in tonight. No. Our big interest is over here. Yes. So in this vending machine, we have beer, which is so-so. And then we have something very interesting. We have ramen. Yes, there is canned ramen available to you. And it's hot. That little red thing means it's nice and ready. And what is this? Oden? Oden. And more oden. And yakitori, which unfortunately is out right now, so we can't try that. But we have something interesting too. We have up here, what is this? Yakiringu.
Yeah, it's a fried apple.
Fried apples. So going to be very interesting. So we are going to go ahead and buy one of each of these and then head back and eat them. Maybe in the morning or sometime like that, but we'll see. All right, here we go, putting the money in. And what should I start off with first? Let's start off here with the fried apple. Boom. Like that. All right. Ooh, it's nice and cold. Looks very interesting. Got it right there. All right, go put that in the bag. Looks like it gave me my money back, so let's try again. 500 in, and let's go for which one? This one. Okay. Woo. It's nice and hot. Oh, and it comes with a little plastic spoon. Or not spoon, a fork. Yeah, it is hot. Hot. Looks very interesting. Looks delicious. We'll try that later. Okay. And put more money back in. 1, 2. Boom. Boom. Enough for our next one, which is going to be one of these two. Which one? They're the same, right?
Shoyu and miso.
Okay, which one do we... Oh, well, let's go this one. Ready. Here it is. Again, nice and hot. And a little fork. Good to go. Into the bag. Next. Yep. And in we go. Okay, that means this one.
Yep.
Looking good. They have just the red color, so they change the colors. Looks very nice. All right, now down to the Oden, which we only have 2 options for. All right, 500. Here we go. Oden number 1. I like the guy's face. He's very interesting looking.
A long nose.
Yeah, long nose man. With a little...
Is it hot?
It is very hot. I am slightly burning my hand, but this is worth it. Okay. And last, but certainly not least. Oh wow, they give me tins back. Oh, this vending machine is evil. Oh, there they give me. They give me a bunch of tins back. Oh, it's 310. I see. They tricked me. Okay. Let's go 50, 100,
and 10.
100. Now I need another 50 in, or I'm just gonna throw, oh wait, no, I got a 50. 50. Math, everyone, math. And 10 for our last one right here. And here we go. The Odin ones don't seem to have the little fork on them. But
okay. Or
they
maybe they have a stick inside.
oh, possibly a stick in the can.
I'm not sure.
Stay tuned and find out. See you guys back at the house. Bye.
Bye.
Ow, 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 hot, hot, hot.